Hi, my name is Iji Navalde. I'm from Marber, Bansalan, Davao del Sur, and I'm doing a review of Ryan Hildreth and his company Cashflow I applied for a job as a video editor, and I was able to get the job within a couple of days thanks to Ryan's team because they helped me secure the job with one of his clients. And because the good thing about this environment, it allows me to work and study, and it's very convenient for me because I'm still studying. And at the same time, I was also expanding my creativity skills, and it helps me grow as a video editor. And also, I really appreciate working with Mom Elaine, for she is very kind and guided me and endorsed me with a client. When I need an extra work, I'm very confident that Ryan's team would able to place me with other clients. And yeah, they really do. I've been editing for about 5 years, and still there is lacking about my craft. But this company and Ryan's team helped me through communicating and answering all my questions quickly. So I highly recommend others to work with Ryan Hildreth and his team, since they are very professional, committed to help others, not just by earning, but also helps you grow on your field. And that will be all. Thank you.